Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change the time on your Samsung Galaxy S25 step by step. Go to the Settings app. This is where you control all system features like sound, display, privacy, and more. Next, scroll down through the menu until you see General Management, then tap on it to open. Inside this section, look for date and time and tap to enter. Here you'll see options related to your device's time settings. By default, most Samsung phones have automatic date and time turned on, which sets the time based on your network. If you want to manually change the time, turn off the automatic option. Once disabled, tap on Set Time. A clock interface will appear. Adjust the hours and minutes to your preferred time. After selecting the correct time, tap Done or Save to confirm your changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.